Are we looking at 100 billion, a $200 billion industry in years out?
Oh, I think so. I also think that it's also related to cheap capital. I've seen this rodeo in the gold mining industry. The gold royalty companies love it when there's no funding available, so therefore they get to pick their best deals. And as soon as the capital markets heat up and there's cheap money around, they can't carve out great deals. And so right now there's an abundance of cheap money, and hopefully some of these other players are out there are actually going to be able to deploy what they promised to be able to deploy. We said we would have an exahash by August. We delivered. If you convert it, you know, it's interesting. HIVE was the first public company in the space. And the Riot then came and joined, jumped on the bandwagon, but they were all about pumping up stock, and they all got spanked, which is good. But most of the other guys jumped in this business were really stock promoters. It's a flavor of the month, and they're all gone. This has real great CEOs. The caliber of the CEOs is another level which I can relate to so easily. And I know that when I have to go and speak at conferences, etc., I have to have my A game. I have to, like, I'm walking on the court with true NBA type players. So the industry is evolving nicely. How different people will pivot. Once we get a real bear drought, there's no source of capital, cheap capital for people to buy all this equipment they're doing, then I think you'll see mergers and acquisitions take place. But right now, it's can I get more capital on my balance sheet? And the market has rewarded not revenue and cash flow like we've delivered. More so, it's on all this expected future revenue and cash flow.